crap. I did the wrong thing. My hand broke.
You can start like cutting through your skin.
I know. No, I'm trying to cut you free.
He doesn't want to be cut free.
As long as your nails are not here.
Why is this like no way to handcuff anyways?
Because they're plastic.
Watch your hand.
And they're quick.
Oh. Oh, you're calling us dangerous?
Yeah. Are you calling me dangerous?
Which race in here has the highest crime rate?
Which race here has martial arts? That can kill you?
You're only 25%
Filipinos don't have
Asian.
martial arts. Yes, we do. We got one.
It's called Mexican martial arts.
Look how red your hand is. Your hand's purple.
Who cares? Move, I can get that off.
Yeah, go.
Alright. That's another download slot.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Move here.
I got 2 hours.
Good time myself to share.